The POL822 controller is regulated by keys placed on the front panel of the device. The following keys are the on-off key, the keypad lock, the scheduling program key, the plus/minus key used to set the desired temperature, the accept key, the fan speed control key, and the working mode key. To turn the air handling unit on or off, use the on-off key. To disable the usage of all keys, use the keypad lock key. To enable key usage, press and hold the button for about 3 seconds. To set the desired temperature, use the plus or minus key. The set temperature shows in a pulsating manner. The current temperature appears in a continuous manner. To switch into economy or comfort mode, use the work mode key. In the economy mode, the unit operates with the efficiency reduced by 15% and the temperature reduced by 2 degrees from the manually set temperature. In the comfort mode, the unit works with full efficiency. To change the speed of the fan, use the key with its symbol on it. To set the current time, use the program key. The first screen will present the time. Use the plus/minus keys to set the current time, then press accept. To switch to the next screen, press the accept key. The next screen is for setting the year. Set the right one, then accept. The next screen is for the date. Set it to the present date and accept. The device will bring you back to the time screen. To go back to the main menu, press the program key. To proceed into the scheduling program, press and hold the program key. You are at the screen where you can choose days to set. To set a weekly schedule, choose all days of the week. To switch to the next day, press the plus key. To choose a certain day, use the accept key. If a day has been accepted, you should see a pulsating line above the number. After adding all the days, press the plus key. Then you'll see all of the chosen days. After adding all the days, press the plus key and the accept key to confirm. The next step is to choose the proper mode and its time. The changing point means a change of a working mode. To edit the changing point, use the accept key. Set the time and accept. Then choose the appropriate mode. 1. Stop, 2. Economy and 3. Comfort. You can switch between changing points by using plus and minus keys. If the digits are flashing, you are at the end of the list. You can add up to 6 changing points. To create one, use the screen showing 3 zeros. Then press accept. To delete a changing point, remove the time and accept. The alarm symbol is shown in the middle of the screen. It consists of 1 letter and 3 numbers. Every type of an alarm has a unique numeric symbol. If the device experiences more than one alarm, the screen will summarize the symbols. The sums are unrepeatable, and when they surpass 100, the letter in front will change from A to B. For example, the symbol PO14 means 114.